Yo guys, what's happening? Guess what I just got? So this thing's been not cleaned in a really, really long time. So I thought, why don't we give it the life it deserves? And there's chicken. So we are gonna give this thing, look at that. That says amps, and you can't even read it because how filthy it is. So we're gonna give this thing the best thing of its life, the best day. Comment what y'all want to see to it. So let's show you what kind of motor it has. It has a Colors 18 speed, twin cam, massive fuel tank on it. The headlight says they're not even on here anymore, so I will have to buy a new headlight harness for it. Man, this thing is disgusting, so I'm thinking I could wipe the engine down with like a wet rag. But anyways, I'm trying to find a year on it. So far, I have not found a year on it. After looking on the engine says the build date was 2008. That's pretty old. That's 15 years old. That's a 15-year-old motor. That's pretty good. So I've clarified that this mower is 15 years old. Everywhere I've looked, it says 2008. Yes, I made sure that wasn't part numbers, so that means that this mower was built in 2008. 15-year-old lawnmower. So let's get it all cleaned up. Sadly, I can't show y'all like me cleaning it. I'm gonna have to do before and after. So let's do that. I forgot my hat though, but it is all cleaned up, guys. Check this thing out. Look at it. Before and after. Come on, guys. Y'all gotta think that's a really good mower. We're fixing to also do our first job with it. This is my dad's mower in a 8 likes, and he'll give it to me. Probably 8 likes or over, he'll give it to me. We don't even get a like on a video, so I doubt we'll get 8 likes. All right, guys, let's mow this growed up old lawn. There's my little piglet over there. All right, guys, listen to this thing start up. Barely bumps the key, watch. Starts right up. All right, let's mow the lawn, boys.